Predsednik Evropskega sveta Donald Tusk je voditeljem držav članic tako že poslal osnutek smernic za pogajanja o trgovinskih vprašanjih. Še prej pa se bo z Londonom potrebno dogovoriti o prehodnem obdobju, v katerem Unija od Velike Britanije pričakuje upoštevanje vseh danih zavez.
I propose that during this period the UK will respect the whole of EU law, including new law. It will respect budgetary commitments. It will respect judicial oversight and, of course, all the related obligations. Clearly, within the transition period following the UK's withdrawal, EU decision-making will continue among the 27 member states.
Britanska premijerka Theresa May je povedala, da je sklenjenim dogovorom zadovoljna in dodala, da je pravična tudi finančna kompenzacija, ki jo bo morala Velika Britanija plačati zaradi izstopa iz Unije. Pojasnila je, da je bil dogovor mogoč, ker sta bili obe strani pripravljeni na dialog.
Getting to this point has required give and take on both sides. And I believe that the joint report being published is in the best interests of the whole of the UK. I very much welcome the prospect of moving ahead to the next phase, to talk about trade and security, and to discuss the positive and ambitious future relationship that is in all of our interests.
Premijerka je še zagotovila, da se za državljane držav Evropske unije kljub brexitu ne bo nič spremenilo.
The deal we've struck will guarantee the rights of more than 3 million EU citizens living in the UK and of 1 million UK citizens living in the EU. EU citizens living in the UK will have their rights enshrined in UK law and enforced by British courts. They will be able to go on living their lives as before.
Na meji med Irsko in Severno Irsko ne bo nobenih ovir pri trgovanju. Glede meje z Irsko pa bo London ohranil vse obveznosti, ki izhajajo iz enotnega trga Evropske unije in carinske unije. Vseeno pa prva ministrica Severne Irske Arlene Foster z dogovorom ni povsem zadovoljna.
We will make sure that we keep the interests of Northern Ireland in particular and the UK in general to the fore in phase 2. We're going to be very much involved in phase 2. We want to make sure that what has been agreed in relation to the integrity of the United Kingdom flows through into phase 2 and we'll be watching that very carefully.
Predsednik Evropske komisije Jean-Claude Juncker ob tem opozarja, da je pred obema pogajalskima skupinama še veliko dela in da preboj v pogajanjih še ne pomeni, da je dogovor že sklenjen.
The joint report is not the withdrawal agreement. That agreement still needs to be drafted by the negotiators on the basis we have agreed yesterday and today.
Voditelji članic Evropske unije bodo sicer o tem, ali bodo podprli nadaljevanje pogajanj, odločali prihodnji petek. Če bo vseh 27 držav članic podprlo odločitev komisije, se bo pričela druga faza pogajanj. Končni ločitveni dogovor pa bo moral ratificirati še Evropski parlament.